Well, another fairly mild September day across our mountains, but we've been saying it, there are big changes on the way and just in time for the first official day of fall. Now today, average temperatures out of Beckley should be around 73 degrees. We were fairly around there, seasonably warm. Our nighttime lows have been noticeably very warm, in the 60s across much of the mountains, even upper 50s to low 60s. And normally we're supposed to be in the low to mid 50s, but we're going to have some of those changes as we head into the second half of this week. Now out there right now, just some showers, very light showers that are breaking apart as they encounter drier air over our area. We're likely not going to see much more shower activity today. That's going to come as we head into tomorrow and our Wednesday. But current temps out there right now, a little bit cooler through the higher terrain, 60s up there, but the rest of the area is still in the 70s at this 6 o'clock hour. So it's still very mild across our mountains. Tonight, temperatures are going to drop down into the 50s to 60s across the area, cooler in the Greenbrier Valley and up through Pocahontas County, 50s there. Low to mid 60s across the western counties. A few showers could be possible, but I think most of us are going to stay dry, so we have a low % chance of rain. And we will have some gustier winds tonight. That is winds out of the southeast at about 10 miles per hour, gusts a little bit higher than that. We still have some humid air across our area. We're still fairly muggy with dew points around that 60-degree mark, if not above the 60-degree mark. And we'll continue to see that into Wednesday before that cold front drops on through, a very sharp cold front at that, and brings us more comfortable conditions, more reminiscent of fall as we head into the first day of fall. Now, no severe weather expected today, no severe weather expected as we head into tomorrow, level 0, just general rain. But as we head into our Wednesday, we can see that a level 1 threat does expand into portions of the area. And so that is something we're watching for. I think it's mainly going to be some gusty winds and just some heavy rain with any isolated severe storms that do occur. So let's time it out over the next several days. Tomorrow, as you're heading out the door, you really probably won't need the umbrella. Still not seeing a whole lot of shower activity over our area. That front still well off to the west. But we could see some showers throughout the day, especially late Tuesday night into Wednesday, it seems like. And that'll continue to occur as we head into our Wednesday morning. So really Tuesday night into Wednesday, that's when the umbrella might come into more handy. And then as we head into our Wednesday during the day, we see periods of sunshine, especially in the morning. That'll help make us unstable and bring us some fuel for that cold front to come on through as we head into our Wednesday evening. Afternoon into the evening is when that cold front drops on through, bringing us some heavier showers from the west. You can see those reds and oranges signaling definitely some stronger storms out there as we head into our Wednesday evening. So that is definitely something to keep in mind. Definitely going to see the heaviest rains Wednesday late afternoon into Wednesday evening. And we could pick up quite a bit. We're not talking about widespread flooding, but we could pick up quite a bit of rain. Again, it's pretty quick moving across the area. General totals seem to be ½ an inch to an inch across the area. Again, it's quick moving, so widespread flooding not looking like a major issue. We don't seem to have all that much rain as we head into October. Again, that's something to keep in mind with the burn ban season. We are in that below average rainfall territory over the next week to 10 days, so definitely something to keep in mind. What is going to be a major story or major change over our area is the temperatures over the next week or so. We're going to go from mild and muggy to temperatures behind this cold front, highs in the 60s, daytime temperatures in the 60s, nighttime lows in the 40s, maybe even some upper 30s in some of those typically cooler locations. Samantha?